Are you struggling to gain more followers on Instagram? Don't worry, you're not alone. Building a following on Instagram takes time and effort, but with the right strategies, you can increase your followers and grow your audience. In this video, we'll show you how. The first step to gaining more followers on Instagram is to post high-quality content. Make sure your posts are visually appealing and engaging. Use high-quality images or videos that capture your audience's attention. Next, use relevant hashtags. Use hashtags that are relevant to your niche or industry. This will help you reach a wider audience and attract new followers. Posting consistently is also important. Post content regularly to keep your followers engaged and interested. You can use Instagram Insights to determine the best times to post. Engaging with your audience is key. Respond to comments and messages from your followers. This will help you build a relationship with them and encourage them to engage with your content. Collaborating with other Instagram users in your niche or industry is also a great way to reach new audiences and attract new followers. Don't forget to use Instagram Stories. Instagram Stories are a great way to engage with your followers and attract new ones. Use stickers, polls, and other interactive features to keep your audience engaged. Finally, promote your Instagram account on your other social media platforms, website, or blog. This will help you attract new followers who are interested in your content. With these strategies, you can increase your Instagram followers and grow your audience. Remember, building a following on Instagram takes time and effort. Be patient and consistent, and you will see results over time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on social media marketing.